Hi, just thought I'd make a quick video showing how I am repairing the center armrest console on my 2007 Acura MDX. There it is, just pulls right off. Now you have access to the screw. And there's one side of the armrest removed. Here's have these 4 pieces. So along with taking the armrest pieces off, I had bought some pre-cut leather pieces off of a seller on eBay to replace the vinyl wrapping with. And I decided to not mess with it myself, so I just took it into a local upholstery shop. They charged a lot more than I was expecting to pay, based on reading some other posts of people who had done that. They charged me $130. But anyways, they did a really nice job just wrapping the leather, stapling it, and gluing it way better than I could have done. It looks really nice. But so anyways, just going to screw the pieces back on here and then glue this back and clamp it down with like some rubber bands. I'm going to use some rubber band.